In the name of Allah, who is most merciful, most powerful, the omnipotent and the omnipresent. I am Dr. Safdar Husain Tahir, Associate Professor, Lalpur Business School, Government College, University, Faisalabad. I did postdoc from UWA Business School, the University of Western Australia. This is English version of accounting cycle series. Our student can learn the accounting only with one click, with one question, and in a few lectures after watching. Certainly, this is a great opportunity for our student to learn the accounting. Basically, accounting consists on two important register. One is the general journal. This is the first register. This is the first book of accounting. And the second is a ledger. Ledger is a big book of accounting which contain many ledger account. The format of the journal you can see from the screen. This is you can make your journal. Every transaction you can record in this register. Start. Let's suppose 2016. You write here the years, then the month once, and then transaction. When the change of the month is there, you change that particularly. If the transactions that is the 30th April, and the transaction which starts in May, you change the word May, and then similarly increase the date which the transaction is recorded. So the second column is the cash. This is the account title and explanation. Here is a cash account, and then the second account which is debited, that is the owner equity account, and then there is briefing. So in this way you can easily understand and you can easily learn the how to debit and how to credit. Certainly, we will later on follow the rules of debit credit, but this is just a format you can see in these lectures. Then there is an other register which is called ledger. Ledger contains many accounts. Ledger account. Ledger mean individual accounts. Ledger is a big register, and there are many ledger account in that register. It may have a cash account, inventory account, account payables, owner equity account, and fixed asset, vehicles, and others account. It contains two types. When you are in exam, you just make a T account and complete the accounting cycle. When you are working and keeping the record, you should use the running balance account. This is the first lectures of accounting. Keep watching and please share our videos and comments and subscribe this channel. By this channel you can learn accounting in a few hours only. Thank you so much.